Sean, hi. We're back.
You want
Day
to get
five.
day five? I'll have to start using my second hand account tomorrow.
That's right. We're on this one today.
Yep.
All right. Well, I am so glad that we're here. Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. So today is Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I hope everybody had a good day. All right. So you ready to go ahead and get started? We'll go ahead and open up number 5.
That's what we're here for. We're here for the fabrics. So go,
Okay.
go on, go.
All right. There's another card. It says, follow your dreams. They know the way. It's love themed. This one is super cute. Definitely for Valentine's Day or anniversary, special someone that you love. And it's a little gnome that's on there. All right, let me open that up. Always choose love. And it says spread love like confetti. Always choose love. Practice random acts of love. Love is in the air. Oh, there's all kind of sayings on this. Is it in the picture?
Yeah.
That one's super cute. I love it. I'll find use for this one.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of neat that you get it now because you have all of December, all of January, and half of February for Valentine's Day. I mean, that'll make a good wall hanging or something like that too, if you wanted to hang it in.
Yeah.
You know, so I mean, you've got plenty of time to do it. You know, I think sometimes it's so easy to jump into it way too late, and then you have to try and rush a project in 3.5 hours. And yeah, that's not my idea of fun.
Like in December, like we're doing now.
Like we're doing now, even though we all try not to. Anyway, so
Yeah.
my turn, right?
Yes, it's your turn.
Okay, let's see what's behind door number 5 in the batik world. Oh, here.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, here we go. All right, and another
Ooh.
wonderful batik. Let's see. Spin it around this way. It's like nice of reds and golds. And this almost looks like something, it very much feels like an Indian, like sarong type sort of fabric to me, like sort of cut everything else. And I mean, I haven't seen anything like this, and I just think it's absolutely stunning. So,
I agree with you.
So far, Cotton Cut's 5 out of 5. So thank you for this one. This one's great.
5 out of 5. They did great so far. And I love mine. Very, very pretty. Okay. Well, that was day 5. I can't wait for tomorrow for day 6.
Yes, absolutely. And then let us know what you guys think about these fabrics. Which one is your favorite? Do you like either one? Do you like both? Either in the chat or in the comments if you're watching the replay later on.
Yeah. And have you heard too, Sean, that I figured that like day 5 on the cotton, this is what everybody got. And then yours for day 5 for the batiks, that's what you got. And everybody got that. But that's not what I'm hearing. I was completely surprised at that. I thought that we were all getting the same, kind of like the So Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. You know that everybody's getting the same thing, but that's not the case. So
I mean, I've been chatting with Dani over at So Not an Expert, and she's doing the batiks, and she's been totally. We haven't matched one yet.
Really?
Yeah, they've at least the first, 4 days that I've seen, totally different.
Wow.
So yeah, other people doing these unboxings, still go watch it because there's a good chance it's going to be different to what Martha and I have.
Yes, for sure. Well, that's wonderful. All right, so let's go ahead and say good night, and we will get started on day 6 tomorrow. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your evening or day, depending on where you're at.
Yep.
All right, bye.
See you next time.